I'm Sarah Watzman. I'm a junior in mechanical engineering, and I took Engineering 692, which is engineering service learning in Honduras. I traveled to Montaña de Luz, which is an orphanage in Honduras right outside of a tiny town called Nueva Esperanza. I took this class because I wanted to get involved in another engineering design project outside of my major coursework, and I also wanted to get a chance to study abroad and do a project in a developing country to help other people, and I thought this project fit it perfectly, and it was a wonderful experience. My project was repairing their biodigester. Montaña de Luz is trying to be completely self-sustainable, and what a biodigester is it's a large hole in the ground. And it's airtight, and there's a pipe for inflow and a pipe for outflow, and what they put into it is organic material like food waste or waste from gardening or stuff like that, and you put it in the biodigester. It goes into the airtight container, and through an anaerobic process it digests, and the gases that come off from the digestion go to a gas line that the orphanage has hooked up to a gas stove. Then whatever comes out is called the effluent, and that is a very strong fertilizer. But their biodigester was not working correctly, and our project was to fix it without actually having been there to see what the problem was. So from here in the United States, we had to brainstorm different ideas of what could potentially be wrong with the biodigester and then make a plan of action to fix it when we went to visit. What ended up actually being wrong was that the biodigester was clogged. So we tried to flush it out with water, and that ended up not working. So we ended up making a strong set of directions for how to operate it completely, and a method that would be easy for them to mix water with their waste material to put in the biodigester so that it wouldn't get clogged in the future. And we also set up a 3-stage compost system. When we got back, we sent a pump up so they could completely pump out the biodigester. I think this project has impacted me in making me more aware of how I can do something with my engineering degree to help other people. I think it's a great opportunity to use the skills I've learned thus far in college to do something to make someone else's life better, to make kids have a better lifestyle. I think it's also impacted me because doing projects for developing country are so different than doing projects here. Here we have all the technology at our fingertips and any resource we could want. But whenever you go to a developing country, you don't have that at your fingertips, and you have to learn how to plan around it, and you have to make a plan of action before you leave. So whenever you get there, you're stuck with what you have, and you have to make it work. So I think it's made me a better problem solver as well.